So, the big preparation, there is a big paella pan, and this is Richie, our chef of the day.
Just today.
We need some oil.
To put the level.
Yeah, some olive oil.
This big stuff.
This big salt,
This big stuff, I don't like it. I prefer
the small one.
small one. You have?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
I bring. Next step, cut the langustos. Now the langustos get to the pan. These are the crab fingers. They need maybe 3 minutes, right?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Okay, after 3 minutes, the crabs are done, and now we add chicken and pork. Oh, good. This is called mixed paella, seafood paella and traditional paella from Valencia, in a mixture of fish, seafood and chicken. So, and this needs probably 10 minutes, then it's
10 minutes more or less.
yeah.
Like this. We need it to go like this.
Okay.
This.
Yeah.
Good. Cook.
And there are some squids and calamaris. Again, 10 minutes to cook.
What?
What else do you do besides cooking paellas?
Oh.
You are Capitan.
Yeah, Capitan.
Capitan of the boats,
Of the boat.
of the yachts.
And I have another small company to sell the products in the restaurants and also.
So after 10 minutes, calamaris are almost finished.
And then we put the vegetables.
The vegetables, yeah. Okay, which vegetables you take? So you take paprika,
Paprika now.
Yeah.
And then we put onion.
onion.
First paprika.
Okay.
3 colors of paprika.
Perfect.
I use the onion.
Yeah. This is now onion goes into.
Yeah. And 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, now what you do here?
I do here. Then I put it
The
little
ring?
bit less
Pepper?
fire. And I put garlic.
Some garlic, okay. All right.
After 30 seconds, I put the tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce, okay. To the garlic. All right.
And mix everything and cook.
Mix everything up.
Cook 2-3 minutes.
Okay,
Now I put some peas. Yeah.
some pieces, okay. It smells fantastic already.
Okay.
Now you got some paprika,
Some paprika here.
sweet or
Sweet,
hot?
sweet.
Hot? Sweet. Sweet paprika.
I open here.
Yeah.
6 people. Yeah. But I put a little bit less. More.
Yeah, you also have a portion for your mother.
Yeah.
And for the kids?
Normally, I use it like this. Put your shot.
Okay, almost a kilo.
Yeah.
But you also have kids, they're also hungry.
Yeah. Can I? Ian? Okay, it's done.
So now we stop a little bit, so the rice can breathe a little bit, and later on we will continue with the soup and
Now
cook it.
it's beer time.
Now it's beer time. Again, no. Now you put what?
Color?
Color. So it's saffron.
Saffron.
Saffron. Some saffron, okay, to make the yellow color.
The yellow color. Now, now I put homemade
Chicken soup.
chicken soup.
So we have chicken soup and fish soup.
I put the fish
So
soup.
that is. So we have a mixture of fish and chicken soup.
More or less 2 liters.
2 liters. Okay. We have 1 kilo of rice.
2 liters and a half.
2 liters and a half of liquid. Okay.
Now
Now.
we put the prawns.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Now
Now
we put the prawns.
we get the prawns inside. Mm.
It's for me and for everybody, for people that have restaurants,
That looks already fantastic. And now we add
Now we put the mussels.
the mushrooms. Looks good. Looks great. Mm.
Now I put the second ring.
Okay.
To the first 7 minutes
Okay.
to warm up.
Now we need full heat, whatever we have. On the gas,
Now it's warm.
full heat. It smells. Okay, and now we cook that for 15-20 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. See you later.
See you later.
My wife said, yeah.
Okay.
Now I have one movie. Magic movie.
Magic movie. This is important. This is important for the great taste.
All in the same.
All mixed. All is shaking. Oh, come on. Okay, now the gas is less.
Gas is less.
Yeah.
Really minimal to
Just to finish
finish.
the cooking.
6 minutes. More or less.
6 minutes. So now we are almost finished.
Now almost finished. I close the gas.
We close the gas after 20 minutes, and now we keep it for 10 more minutes.
5-10 more minutes.
Yeah.
It's 17 minutes. It's done.
All together.
17.
17.
Not nearly 20.
Okay.
Leave it here. Look at the rice here.
Looks fantastic.
And then time to shower, to swim.
Time to swim.
I need to check that.
And now it's done, and we will start to eat this wonderful
How much do
food.
like this?
Mm.
I need another spoon.
in the hotel. But we made paella before, yes.
Yes?
Definitely not for me because this is like
Yes.
Mm.
wow.
Super.
¿Cuántas pusiste?
Kilo, ¿ya lo han querido?
There's a lot, eh?
So, chef, what do you think about your paella?
I think so. It's good.
I think so.
Smells really nice.
It smells nice and it looks fantastic.
And you come to time.
Yeah, we come back.
You come back. See you later.
See you later.
Darf ich auflesen?
Und ich denke, es schmeckt.